Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase to Cursor AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is open up Cursor. Then from here we want to go ahead and click on to make sure we've got the agent running here and click into the three dots and get into agent settings. Now on the left hand side we've got the option for tools and MCPs. Then from here, come over to Supabase and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click onto Docs here at the top. So click onto Docs, then click onto Start. And now on the left-hand side, we've got a whole bunch of different tabs. So we need to scroll down to the bottom and click onto Supabase MCP Server. Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and make sure your client is set to Cursor. You can do this for all different clients too, but this video is for Cursor. Now, basically, it's going to tell you what to do. So installation, install in one click. So add to Cursor. If you've got Cursor already installed, we can go ahead and just basically click on add to Cursor like that. Click on open Cursor. And now that should open up Cursor. And then at the bottom left hand corner of the page it says install Cursor. So want to launch Cursor from the command line, so click on install Cursor, and then from here it says it installed MCP servers, so we got this option. So basically click on the install button here. Now it's going to install these MCP servers. So Supabase is loading tools, and make sure that's toggled on. Now if you got any errors here, that's okay. We're going to look at the errors here. Now, because I just downloaded and installed Cursor, I don't have any servers created. So yeah, you're going to have servers created in yours, and then it's probably going to ask you to authenticate. So go ahead and click on authenticate, and it's going to open up a new web browser to go to Supabase and just basically connect your Supabase account to Cursor.